Hello my people, today we are going to study short sentence we use every day. Uyu munsi tugiye kwiga interuro ngufiya dushobora gukoresha buri munsi. Ku bantu bakunda Bibiliya nabo mbafitiye umurongo ndi bubasomere ninza gusoza iyi video. Let's start. What are you reading? Uri gusoma iki? I'm reading a book. Uri gusoma igitabo. Who are you helping? Ninde uri gufasha? I'm helping my friend. Uri gufasha inshuti. What are you cooking? Utetse iki? I am cooking pasta. Ntetse ubugari bw'imyumbati. Where are you sitting? Wicaye he? I am sitting on the chair. Nicaye ku ntebe. What are you doing at school? Uri gukora iki ku ishuri? I am learning science. Ndi kwiga science. Are you studying? Uri kwiga? Yes, I am studying. Yego ndi kwiga. What are you writing? Uri kwandika iki? I'm writing note. Ndi gufata note. What are you drawing? Uri gushushanya iki? I am drawing a cat. Gushushanya injangwe. What are you drinking? I am drinking juice. Uri kunywa iki? Ndi kunywa juice. Are you baking? Uri gupakira? Yes, I am baking cake. Yego ndi gupakira keke. What are you packing? Uri gupakira iki? I am packing my books. Gupakira ibitabo. Who are you calling? Ninde uri guhamagara? I'm calling my dad. Ndi guhamagara papa. Who are you helping? Ninde uri gufasha? I am helping my friend. Ndi gufasha inshuti. Are you cleaning? Uri gukora isuku? Yes, I am cleaning my room. Yego ndi gusukura icyumba. Are you brush your hair? Uri gusokoza umusatsi? Yes, I am brush my hair. Yego ndi gusokoza umusatsi wanjye. Are you washing face? Uri koga mu maso? Yes, I am washing my face. Yego ndi koga mu maso. Where are you lying? Uryamye he? I am lying on my bed. Uryamye ku gitanda. Are you kicking the ball? Uri gukina umupira? Yes, I am kicking the ball. Yego ndi gukina umupira. What are you buying? What are you buying? Uri kugura iki? I am buying banana. Ndi kugura imineke. Uniform. Impuzankano. I wear uniform to school. Nambaye impuzankano y'ishuri. Where are you going? Ugiye he? I am going to school. Ngiye ku ishuri. Can you run fast? Uzi kwiruka vuba? I can run very fast. Yego nzi kwiruka vuba. What are you eating? What are you eating? Uri kurya iki? I am eating cake. Ndi kurya keke. I am watering a plant. Ndi kuvomera ibimera. I am pouring water into glasses. Ndi gusuka amazi mu kirahure. Nest, icyari. Birds build nest in the tree. Inyoni zaritse mu giti. I am looking at picture. Ndi kureba ifoto. Reka mbagezeho wa murongo wo muri Bibiliya nabasezeranye. Be wise my son and make my heart rejoice so that I can make a reply to him who taunts me. Mwana wanjye gira ubwenge kandi ushimishe umutima wanjye kugira ngo mbashe gusubiza untuka. Ni Imana ibitubwira. Ni mu Migani ibice 27 umurongo wa 11. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment, share and like. I love you so much. God bless you.